Hello, everyone. My name is Jeff, and I'll be your spokesman from theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a look at how to add a great background image to your media device. Let's jump right in. So, if this is your first time to our YouTube channel, maybe our Rumble channel, we are the Stream Machines, where we take the difficult things of streaming and make them very easy for you, one video at a time. Now, I'm going to jump in and hopefully give you some value about not so much the Vsee box, because it's a really solid beginner box, runs very well, but how they allow you to really personalize by adding different images to your home page or your launcher page. Now, as we jump into the video, the Vsee box comes from the Superbox family. You have the Superbox and all those other folks that are making that. This Vsee box, to me, is the best out of all of them because it's priced so very well and it just doesn't buffer. I'm just going to tell you, and I'm not the first one to say that. Everyone that has bought one has said how smooth it runs. Now, when you're setting up your home page or adding an image, I want you to focus on the different parts of the page. For instance, at the very top of this device, you have apps. These are all the apps. The second section is called Recommend. These are all the ones that the manufacturer recommends for you to install. Lastly is the settings. These are all the system settings, launcher settings, software updates, all that good stuff, memory cleanup. Now, when you're going to change the image, what you need to do, or if you can, find some free images on Google. You can find those with so that way they're free. You got to type in free, and then you can install or download that image to a thumb drive, and then thereby just plugging it into the back of the Vsee, and then you're able to recognize that drive and use, if it fits, the image fits on anything you want on the device here. So let's take a look at how we're going to do it. So if you're going to find those things, let's make sure that it's showing. Go to System Info. I'm going to go to Device Preferences, and then I'm going to go to Storage. Just so you can see that I do have a SAN USB disk, 16 gigabytes. I have 64 gigs of shared storage. Now, if you're going to be using this, I also want to point out that this device, all of the home page, all of its menus, look like a formula. It's like they copied what formula did. So this looks the launcher settings looks just like a formula. The system settings looks just like a formula. The hotkeys, red, green, yellow, blue, formula. So if you don't know what a formula is, I will go ahead and put it in the description of the video so you can check it out. So what you want to do is you want to go to Launcher Settings, highlight that, and press OK. You then want to go down to where it says you have your app groups. You see your app groups? Look. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Formula. That's just like the formula. If we want to go to Startup App, Formula. Everything, oh my God. So I'm going to go down to Wallpaper and press OK. Now you notice that I have apps, Group 1, Group 2, if there was a Group 1, Recommend, and Settings. So I'm going to go to Apps, press OK, and then I'm going to click on Local. And then I'm not going to go to the shared storage. I have it on my disk. I'm going to go right here. The very bottom, you will see some different things like City Night. I'm going to press OK on that. Hit the back button. Then I'm going to go to Recommend. Let me show you what I mean. So let's make sure it's there. And if I go here, you'll see that it's there. If I go down to Recommend, it's not there. You'll notice that it's on Apps. But because I didn't put it on Recommend, it's not there, and it's definitely not there in Settings. So what we're going to do is go do the same thing here. We're going to go down to Wallpaper, press OK. And then we're going to go down to Recommend, and then I'm going to go to Local. And then I'll go to the drive, and I'll go all the way to the bottom, and I will hit City Night. And I'm going to do it one more time here to settings. I'm going to do something different. I'm going to click on local, my drive, and I'm going to go to the karate guy right there. So now it looks like all of these are all set up. So I have my apps. When I'm in apps, it's going to be the city. When I go to recommend, it's still going to be the city. If I go to settings, it's a karate guy. So I just took this karate guy off of my other device because I used the Brave browser. I just screenshotted it, and you can see if I move up, city, city. If I wanted to change something else from recommended, you can just change these around however you like. So there's just different ones, and that way you can see for yourself how that works. So if I go to local one more time, let's see if I can find something here on here. Let's put this on right there. There we go. So now I should have 3 different wallpapers. There you go. Look. So as I go down, you can just change. That's how you add a really slick wallpaper just to personalize on any device. And this device is the Vsee box. Now, as I close out the video, I'm going to give you a chance to see this Vsee box in action. And I want you to, there's a video that we made about it since I can't do this on YouTube and don't want to. I don't need to compete for what's a copywritten strike and what's not, or a community strike. I'm not in the mood for that. But what I am in the mood for is for people to find different devices that fit their needs. This device has great options for you to get all your live TV, all of your entertainment, and I like to show you in a different video. So what I want you to do is I want you to text a word, right, to a number of 858-212-0841. And that word is Vsee. So you're going to text the letter V, the letter S, the letter E, and the letter E to 858-212-0841. Go ahead and follow the prompts. Click on the link and check out the Vsee in action. And if you'd like to save $45 off of the purchase, the price will be on that site after the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I wish you the best this week, and we'll see you in the next video.